Hello, in this tutorial, we'll create a drill down for the Oracle Cloud EPM integration. We will create a drill down in two ways. First, to a source system without a landing page, and second, to a source system using a parameterized URL. Please ensure that you have the latest Oracle EPM integration agent version installed and you have created an integration application with JD Edwards Enterprise One. Let us first create a drill down to a source system without a landing page. In your Oracle Cloud EPM environment, navigate to Application and then select Data Exchange. In the Create Query screen, enter JD Revenue Drill in the query name field to query the data from the source system. This query has the parameter for account, which will be used to drill down to the source. In the Edit Integration window, navigate to the Map Dimensions tab. In the Edit Drill URL pop-up, enter the below URL. Access the workbench. Navigate to the source amount column. Click the amount on the source amount column and select drill through to source to get the grid view of the source. Now let us create a drill down to a source system using a parameterized URL. Access trial balance ledger comparison P09210A application enterprise 1. Paste the URL in a notepad to add the parameters. Add the parameters entity and account in the URL. Your parameterized URL will look like this. In Oracle Cloud EPM, navigate back to the Data Exchange user interface. In the Edit Drill URL pop-up, copy and paste the updated parameterized URL. Navigate to the source amount column. Click the amount under source amount column and then select Drill through to source. Log into Enterprise One to launch trial balance ledger comparison application. The skip to account field is pre-populated as we have defined the parameter in the parameterized URL. Click Search to get the records for the account. Thanks for watching.